Tricia Meyer. I'm the founder and managing attorney at Meyer Law. This is the second video in a series on the 5 things you have to know and do when you're first starting a business. And today I'm going to discuss selecting the right entity for your business. Before we get started, please take a quick second to hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss any of our important business tips and strategies to help you grow your business confidently and keep it running successfully. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. All right, let's go. So the first thing you want to do when you start a business is establish an entity. A business entity is simply the organizational structure that you choose to run your new business. Examples include a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a corporation, and an LLC. The entity type that you choose will determine not only your organizational structure, but how you're taxed and how much liability protection you have. Sole proprietorships and partnerships are the easiest entities to set up, and taxes simply pass through the owner's personal tax returns. There is a major drawback though, and that is that neither entity offers liability protection, which means that the business owners of these entity types are personally responsible for any claims against the business. So, if you're starting a business that has a high liability risk, I would strongly recommend that you consider another entity type so that you're not risking everything that you've worked so hard for. A limited liability company, or an LLC, is a popular choice because it combines the flexibility of a partnership and the liability protection of a corporation. There aren't any ownership or member restrictions or requirements on how profits and losses are divided up among members. Owners of an LLC are protected from personal liability against business debts and claims, and taxes pass through the business and are reported on each owner's personal tax return. For some businesses, a corporation might be the best option. There are 2 main types of corporations, a C corporation and an S corporation, and there are reasons why you would want to choose one over the other. A C corporation allows for multiple classes of stock, and with an S corporation, you can only have one. So if you're in need of 2 classes of stock, such as common and preferred, then an S corp would not be for you. Now, the downside of a C corporation is double taxation. You pay tax on earnings both at the business and the shareholder level. S corporations, on the other hand, have pass-through tax status, which allows for the avoidance of double taxation that occurs with a C corp. As long as you're following corporate formalities, a corporation is one of the best shields against personal liability. Choosing the right entity is such an important step. So you want to take the time to determine the best structure for your business. If you're not sure which entity type to choose, feel free to reach out and we can help. Thanks so much for watching.